If you're looking for wall air conditioners, here's a collection you've got to see. Kitchen and home appliances. Wall air conditioners, Amazon UK bestsellers 2017. Number 1, by ElectrIQ. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2. Number 3. For more info about these bestsellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Daikin. Number 5, by ElectrIQ. Find these wall air conditioners at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7, by Olimpia Splendid. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Sourman. Number 9, by ElectrIQ. Discover more wall air conditioners ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.